evening everyone, and welcome to today's review on the Serisvape Cavalry V2 mod kit, and also a special mention to Wotofo for their braided coils. Both items were sent to me by the team over at Vapegate.co.uk, and a special mention to Abby Irons for sorting this out for me. Cavalry V2, one of the newest things on the market at the moment. It is quite simply an awesome looking bit of kit. From what I've seen on websites, it comes in a variety of colours. You can have it in a wooden red, a matte black and a wooden blue, and I believe there's also a gold as well. I've got the one in red right here, which was sent to me, so I can't wait to open it up and have a look inside, talk a little bit about it, what it's made of, strip it down, and then hopefully at the end I will put some coils in it and have a good puff on it, see what it's like, tell you about the flavour, and generally give you my opinion. So I'll catch you very shortly. I'll swing the camera down so you can see what's going on, and then we'll come back up after and have a vape. See you shortly. Hi guys, and welcome back. Thank you for staying tuned. Like I said up before, this is the Cavalry V2 mod kit in red. Love the look of the design. This knight on the box tops it for me. It's quite a simple design, but again, it makes the device what it is. Also comes with a nice little bit of information on the back. Again, I will tell you all about that. It just basically explains what's inside the box. But I will open the box up now so we can have a look inside together, and we'll go from there. So as you open the box, first of all, what comes at you is the instruction manual. It's double-sided, tells you everything you need to know about the mod itself and also the RDA. I will go through this with you in some detail because it's a bit small for you to try and read off the screen as I hold it up. It also comes with a little box of spares, which include a little screwdriver, some O-rings, some different screws, which I will explain to you what they're for, and also a bottom feeder pin should you wish to have the RDA as a squonker. Now, let's get down to the mod itself. It's got beautiful golden etching, which goes all the way around the mod, as you can see here. And it also has laser engraved shield and knight at the top and cavalry at the bottom. The mod itself is made of brass, and it takes a single 18650 battery. The button is magnet or spring. The way that comes out is you pull straight from the bottom, like so. In the bottom, you have got what we call a really solid spring, which has a locking safety feature, again with the brass connection at the bottom and the nice little finish off shield on the bottom there. If you look inside the Cavalry, it is all brass on the inside and comes with a battery insulator inside. Therefore you can slip your 18650 battery inside that, and you won't get any arcing. Which is also good about it is you do have these vent holes at the top here next to the 810 thread, and also etching around so it vents out of the either side in quadruple positions. And there's also bottom vents as well on the fire button, so it doesn't really matter what way you put your battery in, you'll get a good bit of venting. What I'll do is, while I'm here, I will put a battery in it ready, and then what we'll do is we'll have a little chat about the RDA. The button again just pushes back in, completely locks, so you're not going to have any auto firing. All you need to do to make it fire is unswivel a little bit, don't pull, just turn clockwise, anti-clockwise, and that will release it, like so. The RDA itself, again, another beautiful design. Red and black, matches the mod perfectly. I will screw it on top, just so I can take it apart, so you can have a look to see what's on the inside of that. It lines up perfectly. If I would put them together, the shield lines up perfectly. I haven't got that back on straight, but there you go, straight, lines up perfectly. Again, pull that off. The top is made, the RDA itself is made out of brass and stainless steel, as you can see the deck here. Again, standard 810 drip tip on that, and it is suitable for single coil use. And like I said, you can change the pin at the bottom to a bottom feeder should you wish. It also has a certain amount of airflow which can be adjusted. That is the great thing about it. The different screws you can have is you can adjust the clamps on the top of the mod. The screws that are in it now, you can take them out, part of the clamp removes, and then you can clamp it down with the bigger screws should you wish. There's plenty of instructions online on how to do that. What I'm going to do now is I am going to have a look at the coils, which were sent to me also by vapegate.co.uk by Wotofo. I've gone for the braided coils made out of N80 and I'm out at 0.24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whack a set of them in and then get it all juiced and cottoned up, and we will go from there and hopefully have a nice vape out of it. Just so you can see a couple, I will hold a couple up to the screen. Nice set of braided coils there. You do get 5 sets of them, so that's absolutely perfect. I will put links into this video for vapegate.co.uk should you wish to check them out. They've got the latest gear, the latest products, so have a look at there and hopefully you'll find yourself a nice deal. Okay guys, I'll put it all together. I'll meet you back up top shortly and we'll have a vape, and I'll let you know how the flavour is. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, thank you for staying put and welcome back. Got the coils in, got some cotton in, as you can see here. Nice braided coil, single coil there, and some cotton. It's got quite a nice deep juice well, so plenty of cotton, soak up the juice. What I'm going to do is I am going to put some nasty dupe ASAP grape on this, and then I will give it a try. Remember, check out vapegate.co.uk for all your vaping needs. Like I said before, they've got the latest stock on the market at very good prices. What I'll also do is, once this is posted, if you have any questions on anything I've shown in this video, give me a shout and I'll do my best to answer the question for you, or try and find the answer if it's not one I'm too sure about. Right, we are more or less ready to go. Juice is on, buttons unlocked, ready to go. Just going to line everything up and then give it a go. Sits flush, as you can see. Let's give it a couple of dry hits, pulls first, just to get the juice through. And I think we are ready to go. At the moment, I have got the airflow open. That is absolutely beautiful. Because it's some new cotton, I am going to put a little bit more juice in there. It is obviously, like I said, quite a nice deep juice well, so there's no risk of any leakage. That, guys, is full of flavour. You can taste exactly what the juice is. ASAP grape is one of my favourites, so I can taste that, and it tastes quite phenomenal on this RDA and this mod. Well guys, that's enough from me. Again, this has been the review on the Cavalry V2 mod kit by Serisvape, with also a mention to Wotofo for their braided coils. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out vapegate.co.uk for all your vaping needs. Until next time, keep it cloudy. Peace out.